Setting up your office. Here's a few things that you want to do when setting up your office. First, we'll talk about furniture, office supplies, and then we will even talk about some marketing supplies that you will need as a realtor. So I will also include a link of a YouTube video that talks about how to have an ergonomically correct office setup. But here are the basics. First, make sure that you have a desk. You will want plenty of drawers. You can go ahead and get this at IKEA. That's where I got this. I'm able to use my label maker and put labels for each different drawer on the top that you can see here. And so that makes it easy for everything. I also went ahead and bought these floating shelves from IKEA so that I can put books or different decor on here. This is also an area that I use as my craft area. So I made a pegboard, and you can get all of these things at IKEA and this at IKEA just for some more storage. You're going to want storage. Next, you'll want a filing cabinet, and this would be for long-term storage. And then you can go ahead and get some of these also from IKEA, which I use for monthly rotation of different things that I need to do for realtor related things. Like if I'm working on a client, I can put my buyers here and then my sellers here, and then when they close I can rotate them out and put them here into the long-term storage. Make sure that you always have copies of all of your contracts. Of course, you'll want to go ahead and make sure that you have a monitor, a keypad, a mouse, and a mouse pad, and a chair. Preferably have a chair on wheels and one that can recline backwards and spin around. And the ergonomically correct video will show you the correct chair height, and they mention having a footrest. If you don't have a footrest, that's fine. Go ahead and use some packs of paper. If you have a laptop, because I know a lot of us, we work remotely, so we need to have a portable laptop. Go ahead and bring that to your broker's office. But when you're at home, I always like to have two monitors, so I connect my laptop to my monitor. And so I went ahead and put a pack of paper underneath my laptop here so that it's a little bit higher. I could add another pack of paper to make it the same height, but this is good for now. And so if you ever need to have two screens to where they're connected, you just go ahead and get this J5 Create adapter, which is where it'll go ahead and connect your laptop to your monitor. I also like to use a microphone. Microphone is what I go ahead and record videos for, or if I'm doing like a Facebook Live or any type of social media, have a microphone. The one that comes with my computer had a little bit of feedback, but this one has really, really great voice and depth and quality control, and it's a Blue Yeti. So there's those. Of course, if you want a landline, have a phone here. If you want a printer, make sure you have a printer also. Just as long as it can scan and copy, it doesn't need to be for fax, since we can all use our iPhones to create a scan. And my printer is in the hallway because I share it with my entire household. So over here is a couple of more tools that you need as a realtor. If you have a listing and you need to be able to take pictures of the inside of the house, make sure that you have a nice camera. I use a DSLR camera. It's by Nikon. This is several years old, but it's still good, a D3200. I also make sure that I have a tripod, so it keeps the camera level and everything. And make sure that you get a wide lens for your camera also, so you can get the full depth and width of each room. Make sure that you go ahead and of course order your name tag and any of your business cards. Of course, you'll be getting lots of signs that either say for sale, under contract, or sold. I like to also get several of these cute type of buckets or baskets that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I like to give them to my new buyers that are in Clarksville. and I go ahead and go to your local city's visitors center, and you can go ahead and find all these different maps and different travel planners and things to do. And this is a great gift to give to people that are new to your city. You should always have a dry erase board. I have several to choose from, and those are good things to keep in mind. And like I said, there's just more organizational things here. Get lots of cute little containers to be able to divide everything to put them into your desk. So I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Thank you for watching.